I have updates on Langelihle Phili. I have updates on Neo Maema. I have updates on Junior Mandiese. I have updates on Isaac Cisse. I have updates on Ashley Dupreez. I have updates on Sereno. I have updates on George Matlo. So if you wanna get all the information about these players, make sure you tune into the video, watch all the video, and subscribe to the channel. I say let's jump straight into it together.
Talk about a man on fire. Protect it. Be there, ball.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from eGreat Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. So bafethu, make sure ukuthi you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele namhlanje. So bafethu, namhlanje nginiphathele something simple and straightforward, the updates on Kaizer Chiefs players who are going and who are coming to Kaizer Chiefs. So I have some updates on Ulangelihle Phili, the left winger of Stellenbosch. As we know, Stellenbosch have been releasing players. So Kaizer Chiefs is set to start negotiating with Langelihle Phili to become one of their new additional signing of this transfer window. So bafethu, Langelihle Phili can be our next signing for Kaizer Chiefs. Don't say I didn't tell you, but Langelihle Phili might be the next signing of Kaizer Chiefs after Uthabo Moloisane. The other updates I have for you is the updates of Uneo Maema. Other sources are reporting that Neo Maema is a free agent as we speak, or is said to be a free agent, as there's Simba will not renew his contract or extend an option to renew his contract. So he'll become a free agent. And you know, Kaizer Chiefs, when it comes to a free agent, they can do a good work. You know, our club love a free agent. I'm not saying Neo Maema is coming to Kaizer Chiefs, but I'm saying he's a free agent, and we all know that Kaizer Chiefs loves a free agent. Another free agent to talk about is Mandiete, Junior Mandiete, the player who was playing for Stellenbosch, moved to Mamelodi Sundowns, and then moved away to another club, which I don't know, in Qatar. Yeah. Now he is said to be a free agent also, by other sources saying that. I'm not saying he's a Kaizer Chiefs player or he's coming to Kaizer Chiefs, but he's another player to watch because he will become a free agent. And also, we all know that Kaizer Chiefs are very good when it is coming to sign free agents, free players. Uh, those are the players that might you might see to Kaizer Chiefs. Other player that I want to talk us to talk about is Isaac Cisse from Golden Arrows, the middle fielder, the number 8 box to box. That guy is perfect. That guy can pass the ball, can mark, can dribble. This guy is like this guy is a can be a perfect midfielder for Kaizer Chiefs, but unlikely. You know, Golden Arrows don't like to sell to Kaizer Chiefs. We only got Umodi. Nakhona, I think it was because of his 1 year contract left lapha kwi-Golden Arrows, but he's the only player I know from Golden Arrows to Kaizer Chiefs. So Golden Arrows don't really like to negotiate with Kaizer Chiefs for players. They have a good relationship with Orlando Pirates. So this deal, if it happens, I will be very proud for Kaizer Chiefs management. I'll be very proud. This means they will be doing a good work in the market. So this deal won't be easy, but Kaizer Chiefs appreciate and like Isaac Cisse from Golden Arrows, the box-to-box midfielder. Those are the players that might come to Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not saying they are coming or they are the Chiefs players yet, but I'm saying there are chances, and Kaizer Chiefs are also interested to them. So be on the watch out that Langelihle Pili might be a next signing for Kaizer Chiefs. The players that might go to from Kaizer Chiefs that might go, sadly, Ashley Dupreez is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if he's a free agent or he will be sold, but Kaizer Chiefs don't seem to be interested to him anymore. We know he had a bad season last season, so I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will try to extend his contract or let him stay if a good offer comes for him. I'm not saying he's going, but I'm saying he's unlikely to stay with Kaizer Chiefs. Another player that is unlikely to stay in Kaizer Chiefs is Gaston Sereno. Sadly, Sereno is unlikely to stay in Kaizer Chiefs. Yena-ke contract yakhe ibiphela this season. Kaizer Chiefs haven't extended his contract. I don't think they are even negotiating that, but in his contract he had 1 year to extend. But we'll see if Kaizer Chiefs can trigger the option to extend the contract of Gaston Sereno, and let's hope they can do it because we might need him next season because we'll have more games, so he can come there and just for experience. Yeah. Another player who might go with Kaizer Chiefs is George Matlo. As we know, last season Kaizer Chiefs extended a contract of George Matlo with 1 year. This season, I don't think they will extend the contracts of George Matlo. I don't think also there is a pending negotiation to extend George Matlo's contract in Kaizer Chiefs. But I'm not saying that he's going, but there are chances that George Matlo might leave Kaizer Chiefs as a free agent this transfer window. I think that is all I got for today. So, guys, you can tell me what do you think? Should Kaizer Chiefs go for Langelihle Pili, Neo Maema, Junior Mandieta, and Isaac Cisse to let them come into our Kaizer Chiefs squad for next season? And also, do you think Kaizer Chiefs should let go of Dupreez, Sereno, and Matlo? Do comment down below kungitshela ukuthi ucabangani, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you Buffett for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.